All right, if you love mechanical keyboards but are not sure how to build one, or they're super intimidating, which I get it, this is a great option. This is from a brand called BOYI. It's on Amazon. They've got a ton of different colors and options. I've had a few keyboards from this brand, and have had no issues with it whatsoever. And actually, I am going to give this to my daughter, who both of them love to build keyboards. So this is the keyboard kit. Okay, it doesn't come with anything else. You're going to need to get your own stabilizers, your own keycaps, your switches, everything for this keyboard itself. So that's more than halfway there. It is solid build, very heavy. Well, not very heavy, but it's not some cheapy GMK that you can get off online. I got it in black, but there's also a white color. Let me just tell you a little bit about it. It is gasket mounted, which is great. If you know anything about keyboards, you know that you want to have a gasket mounted keyboard for the most part. It's got this multimedia knob that not all keyboards have. This is 3-pin and 5-pin compatible, so you can use different switches. It can connect to your computer via Bluetooth, the dongle, or being wired directly. It's a 75% layout. It is supported by VIA, which is great. So you can, once you set it up, you can map your keys to anywhere. You can do your macros, and that is great. It also works on a Mac or an Android. It is it's very nice. The only thing I would say is, why this? This is so ugly. Just don't put it. I'm gonna try to take it off. But if you want a barebone kit and you want to pay a reasonable amount of money, and get it delivered within a day or 2 days, then pick this up. You'll be happy.